Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about public transportation. Buses, trains, subways, and more.
That's right. We'll share experiences, compare systems, and discuss the pros and cons of using public transport.
If you're learning English, this topic is very useful because it comes up in daily conversations.
Exactly. So, let's get started and talk about traveling around the city.
Alex, do you often use public transportation?
Yes, almost every day, I usually take the metro to work.
That's convenient. Is it crowded in the mornings?
Very. During rush hour, it's packed with people.
I can imagine. I usually prefer buses because they're less crowded.
True, but buses can be slow in heavy traffic.
That's a good point. Subways are faster, but sometimes too noisy.
Yes, especially during peak times, it can get quite loud.
Do you like public transport in your city?
Do you like public transport in your city?
That's great. In some cities, it's not very organized.
I know, it really depends on the infrastructure.
How much do you usually pay for a metro ride?
Around $1. It's cheaper than driving.
I agree. Public transport saves a lot on gas and parking.
Yes, almost every day, I usually take the metro to work.
Yes, using buses and trains reduces carbon emissions.
Exactly. More people using public transport means cleaner air.
That's one of the biggest advantages.
Right, it helps both people and the planet.
But sometimes buses don't arrive on time.
True, delays can be frustrating.
I once waited 30 minutes for a bus that never came.
Oh no, that's the worst.
What do you do when that happens?
I usually check apps for real-time updates.
Technology really helps nowadays.
Definitely, apps make traveling much easier.
Do you prefer buses or trains?
I prefer trains. They're faster and more predictable.
I like trams too. They're quiet and smooth.
Yes, trams are comfortable and scenic.
Have you ever taken a night bus?
Yes, a few times after late work, it feels different at night.
How was it?
Calm, but sometimes a bit unsafe if it's too empty.
Safety is a concern for many passengers.
Exactly, cities should have more security at night.
Do you think public transport is safe overall?
Most of the time, yes, but people need to stay alert.
I agree. Always watch your belongings.
Especially in crowded stations.
Do you ever see tourists on your metro?
All the time, they often look confused with maps.
That's cute. I remember getting lost in Tokyo's subway once.
Oh wow, that system is huge.
It was like a maze, but people were very helpful.
That's good. Kind locals make travel easier.
What do you think about public transport in other countries?
I think Japan and Germany have excellent systems.
I've heard that too. Very clean and punctual.
Yes, trains there are famous for being on time.
Meanwhile, some cities struggle with maintenance.
True, old infrastructure causes delays.
I wish governments invested more in public transport.
Me too, it's important for sustainable cities.
Do you think people should use cars less?
Absolutely, fewer cars mean less traffic and pollution.
But in rural areas, public transport isn't always available.
That's a big problem. People depend on cars there.
Maybe electric buses can help in the future.
Yes, eco-friendly transport is the future.
Have you ever ridden a high-speed train?
Yes, in France, the TGV. It was incredible.
Lucky you. I've only seen videos.
You should try it one day. So smooth and fast.
I will. Traveling by train feels more relaxing than flying.
I agree. You can watch the landscape through the window.
Do you like sitting by the window?
Always, it's my favorite seat.
Mine too. Especially during long rides.
It's peaceful and perfect for thinking.
Have you ever missed your stop?
Haha, yes. I fell asleep once on the metro.
Oh no, where did you end up?
To stations past my destination. It was funny though.
That happens to many people.
Yes, especially after a long day at work.
What do you usually do on the train?
I listen to music or read something.
I like people watching. Everyone's so different.
True, you can learn a lot just by observing.
Do you talk to strangers on public transport?
Rarely, but sometimes small talk happens.
Same here. It depends on the mood.
Exactly, some people just want quiet time.
Do you think transport should be free?
That would be great, but hard to maintain financially.
Some cities in Europe already offer free public transport.
Yes, it encourages people to use it more.
It could reduce traffic jams significantly.
Definitely, and improve air quality.
What's your least favorite part of public transport?
When it's overcrowded and people push.
Oh yes, especially in the summer heat.
That's the worst combination ever.
I also dislike when someone plays loud music.
Same, headphones exist for a reason.
What's your favorite part then?
Watching the city go by and not having to drive.
That's relaxing. No traffic stress.
Exactly. You can just sit and enjoy the ride.
I think public transport is also great for tourists.
Absolutely. It's cheap and shows the real city life.
When I travel, I always try local buses or subways.
Me too. It's part of the adventure.
Sometimes I get lost, but it's fun.
Yes, getting lost often leads to new discoveries.
Have you ever had a bad experience?
Once, my train broke down in the middle of nowhere.
Oh no. What did you do?
We waited an hour for another train. It wasn't too bad.
At least you stayed safe.
Yes, and everyone helped each other.
That's nice. People can be kind in tough situations.
Exactly. Public transport brings people together.
That's an interesting way to see it.
Yes, it's a shared experience for everyone.
Do you think electric trains are the future?
Definitely, they're cleaner and quieter.
I hope all buses become electric soon.
That would be great for reducing pollution.
Do you like double-decker buses?
Oh yes, especially sitting on the top level.
The view from up there is amazing.
I agree, it feels like sightseeing.
Do you ever see people giving up seats for others?
Sometimes, it's nice when people are polite.
Yes, kindness makes travel more pleasant.
Definitely, courtesy should be part of public travel.
What's one rule everyone should follow on public transport?
Don't block doors and don't shout on the phone.
Good one. I'd add, don't eat smelly food.
Oh yes, that's a big one.
What about cleanliness?
It's important, everyone should keep it tidy.
I wish more people respected that.
True, a clean system is pleasant for everyone.
Have you used ride-sharing apps like Uber or Lyft?
Sometimes, but I prefer public transport, cheaper and eco-friendly.
Same. But ride-sharing is useful late at night.
Yes, when trains stop running.
Do you think technology will replace tickets?
Probably, digital passes are already common.
I love tapping my phone to enter the metro.
So convenient, no more paper tickets.
What's the most beautiful train station you've seen?
Grand Central in New York, stunning architecture.
Wow, I've seen pictures. It looks amazing.
It really feels like a movie set.
Have you ever been on a long train journey?
Yes, once I traveled overnight across the country.
That sounds wonderful.
It was. Watching sunrise from the train was magical.
I'd love to do that someday.
You should. Train travel is underrated.
Do you think more people will use public transport in the future?
Yes, especially as cities grow and roads get busier.
That's true. We can't build endless highways.
Exactly. Efficient transport is the solution.
I think governments should invest more in metro systems.
I completely agree. It's worth every dollar.
Public transport is essential for equality too.
Yes, everyone deserves affordable mobility.
What's your dream transport system like?
Fast, clean, safe, and available 24/7.
That sounds perfect.
Maybe someday it'll be real.
I like when stations have good signs in English.
Yes, multilingual signs help tourists a lot.
What about Wi-Fi on trains?
Oh yes, it's a game changer for commuters.
I love reading or studying during rides.
Same, productive travel time feels great.
Do you think kids should learn how to use public transport early?
Definitely, it teaches independence and responsibility.
I learned how to use buses at 13. It felt like freedom.
That's a good age to start exploring safely.
What's the longest you've ever waited for a bus?
Probably an hour. It was raining too.
Oh no, that sounds miserable.
Yeah, I learned to always check the schedule first.
Do you prefer sitting or standing on short rides?
Standing is fine if it's not too crowded.
I always look for a window seat if I can.
Same here, best view guaranteed.
Do you think there will be driverless buses soon?
Yes, technology is already testing them in some cities.
That's amazing. The future of transport is exciting.
It sure is safer and more efficient.
What advice would you give new passengers?
Be polite, plan your route, and respect others' space.
Great advice. Also, always have a valid ticket.
Yes, no one likes fines.
Today's talk made me appreciate public transport more.
Me too. It's such an important part of city life.
Maybe next weekend I'll take a tram just for fun.
Good idea. Enjoy the ride and observe the city.
Thanks for the chat, Alex. And thank you everyone for listening.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Do you love or hate public transport? See you next time.